ending hani pare. Are you single?
But it should not be. This should not be. Motani bishi cheat kori na.
So, magin like girl.
If you are here,
Including me there. You is enough.
break.
Yeah.
Break. Yeah. We have to cry because people are there to pull them down. You know, I love you all so much. And your community go. Bishi wano bishi salman pageant bi jani guram Dimapur de. How can you wear all those
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited as well as so nervous. I'm never taking Hagansna. So I'm here with a beautiful lady. I'm then comment section de Mangita Hanisna, Miss Ayo. The reigning Miss Northeast in Supermodel India, as well as who got title in Miss Photogenic in Nagaland.
Yeah.
So Ajiman Mujum short conversation jogla ase. So watch till the end. Amnen regret na bole. So amnen ba mangan isnai. Aman Miss Lore ainas na first day. Katawa itu amnen lopode kui dia. Once again, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
On your achievement.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. The first, amni koi Insta de moi tikise. First day, like I don't know, amni I guess Miss Notice they participate na kora kis like maybe.
Okay.
So amni follow back visite, and then sometimes amni ba if I'm not wrong, mula picture di like view to I mean koi live screen again.
Right.
Yeah. For di ba na no all okay.
Okay.
So like aman attitude to my na. So when it comes to attitude, maybe attitude to thakyo as a person na. Maybe ekta koi ini ekta tak man high jai na. So do not know that ekta kushi lagi sih. So after amnigi na koi like after your achievement on like idala Northeast day, Miss Northeast day, that they participate rather than maybe if I'm not wrong way certainly take kushi like to support her na. And then and then we comment me kushi. Recently man Miss Nagaland like they participate kushi na. So I saw you there that they participate kushi like. And then ini full support is amni the all like bisi na. So aki jauh man manon nimide mana kita tadi sih. Holibi koi ita la Miss Photogenic title di paise. So anyway dia bisi koi tadi sih. And then the result all our TV like if I'm not wrong like status kita tadi sih like saja mi kita yo in general all as mo kodo like kilo bedo man iki manu as Konyak kuchiglo hall ba hall as Konyak kuchiglo do ekta brow feel je no man lock paule paro na na thagela jna. So finally ajiman lock pa paise in the grace of God. So without further delay one question is over.
Sure.
Firstly we want to know about yourself and your schooling, your achievement, as well as hobby and your hometown, because many might be wondering na Miss Ayo to ki man tagi asna na. They might think like alak chat manu ni ki bita panagan tayo na. So
Okay, so hello everyone. This is Konyak. Today I'll go with Nagarmi since it's our native language. So I did my schooling. तो मेरा schooling तो मैं St. John Higher Secondary लेकर class A वा 12 तक मैं St. John Higher Secondary School Monday complete करना. After that, for my college, I went to Dimapur. Dimapur di Jaina Unity College to Purina. Idari tadi Purina I And then my hometown is Mon District. And then my mom mula ama bro chi and then my dad he is from Mon village. So just people might think like I'm from. Actually, people usually think that I'm from Chi village, but actually I'm from Mon village. So that's something about me. And when it comes to my hobbies, so I'm really interested in dancing. So sometimes I used to dance in like school functions, Sunday dance group, and then that's how I started, giving interest in dancing. And then we gym jai because like I want to stay fit. So that's a motive behind that. So in my, whenever I'm free, I go to gym and then I work out there. And it's been almost 1 year that I've been going to gym. And then that's something about me. Thank you.
Okay. We were kiman man confused again na like aki ko iten is na kiman again na and then itu confused lagi so I guess malah confused to clear is na like even me first day ina lagi say ki manu tagi na na so after ida miss photogenic nakalin din na all of jide miss ayo to len mon na ase na ulit mo chani so thank you so much. Okay, when it comes to inspiration and role model,
Okay.
what inspired you to participate in modeling and how it feels to be role model for young women? Because you are the first woman under Mon district. Alak chat kan bisa lagi na, lebih under Mon district to win Miss Northeast in Supermodel India. So can you?
Okay, so actually not actually. Even me na, I was such an insecure person. So when I was young, we were insecure. I mean, when I was young, I mean, we outgoing stage but at the time, when I have reached this, during my 13, 14, I was a person who was very insecure. The insecurities took na build up through the use of social media no really I mean, it prevail in society there. Bullying one another. So I was also one of the victim of this bullying and body shaming. So that's how I started, we bullying na face grab. I was such an insecure person. I still remember mula 2 years, 1.5 years, I guess, not actually 2 years. So 1.5 years though, may insecure na. I was a person who didn't talk with anyone. Ita low self-esteem na, inala time day shit. So after that, may mula true potentialities jani jishin na. Tell me insecure na buhalap to. Why don't I go out na? So may mula true potentials, understanding corruption. I started realizing that people negative feedback but it's not about life is not about others, it's about yourself, and it's about life and then the example role play so I decided like I have to go out, I have to follow my dreams. So after that, there was a time when I started understanding myself, understanding my weakness, and then knowing that may inabuhi ako rin na. So I started no matter what people say, don't care about that na. Just believe that you can do it. So after that, I started to go outgoing magician na. An outgoing magician, and then the motive behind joining pageantry, it was like to learn more. Not really learn more, but pageantry itself, the pageant the platform dito makin karning so that they can foray their beauty. Not only their beauty, pageantry is less beauty is just 1%. Beauty pageant do kilas it's about empowering women. The beauty pageant it's not about represent it's about representing the whole self, the whole woman. So my pageant do platform I was a person who can't even speak English. So after joining pageant, practice makes a person perfect, no? So only after that, my pageant joining corruption even me, I want to compete, right? I want to, go at the best. I want to present my best. So I started reading books and all. That's how I started engaging these things in privilege. I mean, like once so, ek parway pari na jai jan na. Nicho labik point ba start ko na they practice ko na growing ko na mga. So, mula motive to join Corella, I want to do something for the pageantry. Luckily, I am the woman that I want to be. I can even now, I don't have insecurities. I can, as you say, a role model na. Ita role model play ko I'm so happy that little girls they look up to me, and that even me I look up to many pageant experience now queens when I look up to them. I want to be like them. Not that I'm insecure about me, but it's just that tahan good deeds kan mga former queen han Miss Nabilin han there's only former queens na so tahan ba kina Luina Jayese tahan ba kina example lead chorus na maybe ina guru mo jay especially mga Konyak community do bishi salman pageant bi jani do bishi mano ina pageant din na jay. Why? Because we are from a conservative society, so parents can support man na. So this year luckily bishi jun na outgoing when I jaya this is pageantry is a little bit accepted, na bishi mon like that pageantry we join kurase, I am so happy that girls from our community is also going out. So type in a say mula journey Miss Nagli, and I'll just say that. And then Miss Nagli journey was so good again. There were 13 contestants including me. So this time the contestants, oh my goodness, Miss Nagli, even they have mentioned it is one of the best batch because everyone was so competitive. I mean, so we came as a competitors again, but we ended up like a sisters. We came as a competitors again, but we ended up like a sisters. So that bonding was so nice, and if my girls are watching here, I love you all so much. And then it was so good. My experience was wonderful, and then BD and Aesthetic Society is one of the best organization, I would say that. Even that, and even my organization is this Northeast India Supermodel. They gave stuff. They gave us a lot of opportunity. So tahan la sponsor हामी face Canada la देशे like India la one of the, it is also one of the good branding like beauty products na. So it was so good. They gave us a lot of sponsorship. Our whole experience so far, it was so good. It was so nice. And then yeah, my role model. You have asked me about my role model also.
Yeah.
So yeah, people often say that your mom is your. Everyone say that mother is their role model lah. So mula history na I say my mom is my role model because I know that manukun labi mo di believe no koragide. My mom was the one who first believed on me, and then she was the one who supported me. Even my dad, but my mom was the biggest source of inspiration for me. So
like zaman most of us na mana negative thought thagi na pageant when it come to pageant na and modeling na the man ni ekta negative thought thagi as especially our society the way dressing already judge hui jai na ki man over judge kro na. So the next question is what is the best advice you receive as a model?
As a model?
Yeah, as a model.
Okay, so this is one of the message or the advice that I've been receiving every time that no matter what, always be humble. That's one of the most motivating advice that I've been getting from everyone. That no matter what the pageantry they want, sometimes it can take you up, it can take you down. But the main thing is like always stay humble, always stay connected towards yourself, always know your true self, and then be humble. That's the biggest advice that I got.
Okay. When it comes to personal growth and development, so we want to know about your strengths and challenges that you face in your job.
Challenges, when it comes to challenges, she challenge face first. It seems like every time we want to like really challenge to powerless now, but I will just mention like some challenges that I face. So some are like it will come when it comes to modeling, not really modeling pageantry. We have to control our diet. That's the biggest challenge. Like not eating the things that you want to eat. Like something like I was a person who was very much addicted to junk food though. My junk food control ko like shit or the control ko the bale as because it's very good to health. No? You are more likely into this natural things like fruits and kinda. You are adapting to that, and that's how your body, your face started glowing up. No? So somehow that challenge have brought so many positive impacts in my entire self. So that was another challenge that I faced was like or as we all know, it's an undeniable fact. Or we all know that we are from a very conservative society. Conservative society means like Dimapur or the city as we can go out with short wigs or like it's not about revealing, like it's not about wearing this short. Being from a very conservative society mala dressing even if I'm like physically lagay na katawan lagay na barely mula fit online na hande jaile na people come to know that somehow dress ka lagay na. So in a lot of time they being from a very conservative society manon bishi comment kore like bearing these things. Even once I did this interview with Vital Wang, so mula gym la fit sila. Suppose I'm just setting you an example, okay? Mag-groom na. Mag-groom di ma-per de. How can you wear all those, full the gym where I'm working out, it's like all AC, okay? It's like all AC and then all AC, it's like cold a little, but whenever we do workout, we are think we obviously sweat kind of line in a month exhausted na. So gym na, how do they expect us to wear all those full dress covering all our body na? So that's something I just want to let others know that gym na in a corona somehow we have to wear our gym clothes. So in a gym clothes people wear just for fame, just for these things, showing your body it's not about that. By in a short dress fame fame, when you get fame it's because of your hard work. When you do something good, people see that, and people come to you, and then obviously or ultimately to la fame it's not because of wearing short dress or because of clothing. So Dukarni, the main motive, the reason why girls are like not coming up is because over conservative society. Before people are there to pull them down.
Yeah.
So that's the only reason. Comfort zone ba only parahan ni today and then academy also, because when we are in beauty pageant we are missing out a lot of academy. So somehow do be tough they shape, but multitasking, giving your heart, and then nature they believe that I will do it no matter what. No, so you do inspiration after Mohand is strong but not stage because there are a lot of time when we have to when we have to cry guys and really because things cannot do laughing and agil jai jamin notes can सब complete कर दूँ लेकिन behind हमें she nothing the target that face करे, but it's just that you have to be strong, you have to tahan Purina paile, you have to give more time towards your academia. So lazy no we can do everything no matter what, we can do multitasking also if you are not lazy. So that's how you have to keep yourself dedicated. So that was 3 challenges that I've faced so far.
Coming to next question, like you are maintaining your body by going to gym and all. Man tiki lagi na, man study भी tiki lagi. So what's your secret to stay active and healthy?
Okay, so actually not gym though. Why we should start gym? The reason why I started gym now, I just want to be, as I said, I want to be fit. Or once on gym day when we started going to gym. It's not only about going gym, okay? Gym that anyway you can stay healthy, but we gym we have that habit of using phone now every now and then. So sometimes when you go to gym, we have that time to focus to ourselves. While I healthy focus grow, we see the growth na gym job obviously mga changes kan tiki jaya na mga lagaw so that's how I was so happy, like every time gym job my cheeks, actually my body, all these are like not very chubby, okay? My body is like very cooperative, but my cheeks na whenever I eat healthy or like whenever I sleep a lot. Now I have a habit of sleeping a lot, so whenever I sleep a lot, my cheeks now they just palm up, like so chubby na. And then being in a pageantry and modeling industry, I really don't want to be so chubby. So the main reason was like to keep myself fit and fine. As I said, I just want to work out a lot so that I stay fit. Why I started up was to give more prioritize my health, not to prioritize my health, and then will self develop, take care of then gym job when you see that changes you ultimately it's kind of like happiness in your life. So something like
So
that.
which means maybe gym to जाओ लगे उनकी.
Yeah, if you want to.
Like इधर कौन सा ना like phone भी सी था ना man.
Yeah.
So exactly इधर हमने mention कौन सा ना man एक तरह changes तो था यार किया शुरू है focus कर तो जैसे ना.
Oh, consistency.
Yeah. So I think movie जाओ लगी हो.
At least you should start out.
मोला gym भी जाओ लगी हो.
Yeah.
Okay. Next question is how do you balance your modeling and academic career?
Okay. Thank you.
I think my question is clear.
Yeah. When it comes to modeling and academic career, I'm not the only one who is like studying and then doing all these things. There are a lot of beauty queens, even the former winners, Miss India Hui, Miss Nagaland Hui. They're also all people now. People think that beauty pageant they don't do anything, like they're just going to the beauty pageants or modeling girls. But besides that, many of the girls, there are many girls who are doing their studies also. It's all about balancing na. To balance my relative, far relative from my society was you can do this after your graduation. But for me it was, if not now then never. I really love that quotation because how long are you going to wait for your career now? To pursue, you have to pursue it when you are ida monde juice haden na ida motivate kurle motivate haden you should start up. You should not wait for tomorrow. Overcome all my challenges, I've overcome all my obstacles, my duhan so to overcome further with the self belief pana, and then that's how I did all this multitasking and it was good.
It's all about prioritizing, huh?
Yeah, it's all about prioritizing one thing.
Yeah. So it goes like decision after graduation, huh?
Yeah.
So it late vision, huh? So let's move to the next question. So, like, what qualities or skill do you think are assistant for model women to success?
The skill and the qualities for a woman, for a model woman to success is you have to have that never giving up attitude. That's the main thing, and then the other is like you have to speak up for yourself. Because in many times, there will be people who will always support you. There will be people who will always stand up for you. But when you want to do it, you have to speak for yourself. If something wrong is happening, you have to have that spirit. You have to have the quality, make sure the quality to speak up for yourself. And the other thing is never giving up.
Okay, well, in your perspective, what are the difference between supermodel and pageant?
Okay, so this is something which we should really clarify. Okay,
Yeah.
so people often like.
Even me, confusion like even yesterday, well, the question like modeling and then pageant
Yeah.
so I thought thinking modeling and then pageant. So clarify with you.
Yeah, so this is something which is like people which confuse it, beauty pageant or modeling there. But it's about beauty pageant though, it's about not only about that, it's about how you speak. Beauty pageant can go maturity speak Korean, do the judge Korean, and then it's not only about showcasing your dress, it's not only showcasing beauty, it's about overall kinds na empowering women empowerment karni startup karla se beauty pageant though. So it's something like that. So beauty pageant is all about giving a platform to women to stand for themselves and to stand for the other girls too. And then when it comes to modeling, it's about showcasing like there are kind of different kind of modeling. Okay, often people ask us this question, they think that beauty pageant or modeling is same, but it's kind of like way different. Modeling though, it's about there's different kind of modeling. Rainbow model, it's about a print model. It's about like product la model, Suppose like I got this last time I got this I got a chance to do a modeling for some products. So this can be kind of like modeling as it will. Just prepaid model, kind of like mohan paid korina tahala product can showcase kora se. So you are a model for that particular product. So are you ring walk to do you have to showcase their dress now. So you don't have to put that expression like laughing smiling way. You just have to carry that one expression, and then you have to showcase the dress, that particular dress that the designer have designed. So rainbow model is all about that. So modeling the Manubisha confused modeling is all about rainbow model. So Bishi did not confuse in another. Hi Napunjini, how come she's model na? People think that 5.7, 5.8 girls now can do high tahani model but it's not about that. Modeling you can be like it's about 5.3 hopari, 5.4 hopari, 5 point you can be of any height, but if you have that criteria, not the criteria the kushile like any like print model this way, it's all about here there is no print model, but out of like not really there is like this print model is like very famous. Okay, so it's all about modeling the there are different particular area so it's all about modeling is all about showcasing it's only about showcasing particular thing more product showcase product showcase dress showcase dress showcase.
Sorry to verify.
What's your
Okay, end number last question, right? What message would you like to convey to your friends, be it itu notice lah hobby and then recently Miss Nagaland TV participate with us so another key misses through this platform Nikki can be great one as
Okay. So the thing that I'm so happy, first of all, like I got to, give convey a message again. So the message that I want to give to everyone is like, not being like so personal, but I just want to say something. Like if we see each other, if we see one another going out of their comfort zone and then doing something, let's support one another. I want to say this because since we are in this, social media era, we have that kind of like Manu literal comfort zone de buhina head spirit correlena. So this is kind of like for me I can say that I'm strong na itago mo nature they mind build up shake. No matter how much I get bullied or like no matter what people throw me positive or negative for you, I'm ready for that. But so manu strong no na there are so many people so insecure. So I just want to say through this platform now, I just want to tell everyone to be more kind towards each other. Now let's love one another as we love ourselves, as we love our family. So the world will be a better place if we know how to spread love, if we know how to, manude palpay na, not if there's no headache now, the world can be a better place. And to all the girls, I just want to give this message because presently this platform is a very great opportunity to speak about this. Women are not safe everywhere. Bishi cases kanoni say recently someday you heard about that getting raped, right? So it's not only one, but there are many girls who are getting harassed or abused every now and then. Every day there are more than like 3-4 cases every day in India. Not only in India, but in overall in India, though there are so many double-digit numbers. Those who are the victim of that. And being a person who is standing for women empowerment, I just really want to speak about this topic, like which is very much relevant in our society. So to all the people, like let's see maki ekta dena nature la bhumi is na nature la has a nature la bhumi is na so let's try to be more kind towards another gender because it's not that women are weak so we have to misuse that mislead that no? Let's be kind towards one another and let's make a more safer place for girls because nowadays society is kind of like the world is becoming so harsh for the girls. Girls are unable to even for anything you have to think twice because the world is becoming a worse place for the girls now. So to bring an end to that, we have to stand up for one another. We have to break that mentality that girls, boys, everyone, it's our individual responsibility to be there for one another and bring an end to that. So let's all come together and try to make this place a safer place for even girls.
okay thank you so much manita 5 to 10 minute other break take you lessons so after that we will resume so yes
Once again, welcome back. Yede du digital ase so amna like ya sugule comment section amni mention grid bi amni mention grid sugule moi amnin de itu la link truth photai dibo and then amnen project role ni mi de ekdom reasonable ekdom test wala ase so amnen de itu bi dekhai di ase.
we are back after short break so idala part man ni fun na
Yeah.
just say fun particular so and then itu part kita man like key answers man pat de without nagri de na key mind de pat there always
Okay. Sounds interesting.
so are you ready
Okay, yes, I'm ready.
so here we go will you participate in international pageant if chance for given pageants or it may be multiple
It's a sure thing. Since
Sure.
I have started, I have to complete it by any means. So international is kind of like I am ever ready for it,
Yeah.
but I have to prepare.
Yeah. So next question is like, what's your dream job? And what kind of feedback would you like to give to all Konyak boys? Because many of us fall for you, including me there. And this question is from one of my brother who I inbox you so to
Okay.
ask you about this. So the first one is what is your dream job, and then second though amni Konyak mokan cuma manuhan na Konyak boys. So feedback you the ones kile most bisi chundo amni ke bisi mure na so
Okay.
key response one
Come to my dream job. I want to clear this exam. I want to clear exam and I want to do civil servant. I want to be a civil servant. So that's my dream job. And when it comes to someone adoring or like new ones na, if someone is falling for me.
Especially man.
Okay. So to all those who are giving so much love and those who are seeing something in me, I want to tell them thank you so much. I really love for the cocoa, right? But yeah, thank you. I love you all.
Okay, thank you. Would you please let us know some three quality which people don't know about you?
My true quality.
Yeah, your three quality.
Okay, the true quality in me is that one thing that is I'm very smart.
Okay.
Okay, the other thing is like yeah, I am talented. I would say that I'm very talented. The third thing is like I'm very strong. I never give up. Yeah.
Okay, what message would you like to convey to those parents who had negative thought on pageants or modeling? Because the akili is the man natural parents can need or negative thought about tracing, about this and that. So key message do you want to get?
Okay, so parents take my call in Monjalo na makihan bishi mohan nista mani mohan la the present makihan ko de bishi friend han mom get text Korea or they come up to me and they say like also they want to pursue their dream in this modeling pageantry, but it's all because of our like conservative society or mohan la thoughts kan ba the pageantry de mohan outlook na size na edukarni than jawal na pare. So I want to let everyone know na parents can sign on the TV. Let's try to support because itu opportunity do miss na po lagi. Today the era man ida thala present generation do it's a very developing area. It's a very developing era where everything is so competitive. So nichula chance grab kor lagi opportunity grab kor lagi, and if you see something dohan amnila bacha de something change nahi something tikile na something bhal tikile support them. If they're good in singing, if they're good in dancing na you should support them. Or pageantry de jawlela modeling de jawlela you know bishi mano do misjudgment or misconception de ki that beauty pageant is about bishi mislead kan korea na na. So ito hande mo ko limon jago it's nothing like that. You can I am a very I won't say that I'm such a very religious person, but I would say that I am from a God-fearing family. No? My parents, they used to have this prayer meeting every time. So I'm guided with my moral values. I know my root. So even you can take my example. So it's all about, la comfort zone ba na doing something for the society as a whole. So inahande la parents kan ma-support no kurli kun ma-support ko na. So just let's try to la pajahan inahan tikina let's try to help them. Let's try to live their dream along with yours. So let's try to support ko na la bacha de agilu jawle try ko not try to pull them back because of the misconception.
For instance, you're hosting a grand dinner. Who would you invite and why?
Okay,
Mention any?
If I am hosting a dinner, obviously it will be my friends. It will be my friends from the beauty pageant industries. My for my fellow contestants from Miss Nagaland. How it was you? Just kidding. So it can be you, and the other would be Rachel Gupta. Since bringing back the crown to India, so her homecoming is just few days there for her homecoming. So I would love to invite her, and I would love to have a conversation with her, asking about all the experiences we are from same beauty pageant industry.
It's like if you were given a chance to date with Naga celebrity, whom would you choose? Be it man or it can be lady as well. So
oh my goodness, lesbian things. I'm not a lesbian first of all, I'm not a lesbian. So it will be obviously men.
Yeah.
But so far I don't have any celebrity crush from Nagle. Just leave about Nagle. I don't have those international crush from, and I don't have a crush.
It's kind of truth and the religion,
So Nagal celebrity, I don't know. To be honest, I don't have any celebrity crush. But if it has to be like one person, but anyways, I guess it will be Mokokoza. Since I am a fan of those who rap. I mean, I love listening rap songs.
What message would you like to convey for the people of Mon district, and then especially for women? Mon district under the like akide first man mention conditional you are first lady at no district and the man ground role na. So akide conditional might be people might be wondering ki mano is na man introduce of which is still then like ki Mrs. Joel Mon na we are because overall man do bisi kushi to have you today even today na it even ekta title planning Twitter tinda na. So seeing you Amina grow how to have bisi kushi so what message would you like to convey to that constant mon man in general Konyak man just na.
Okay, so a message for our community, for
Yeah,
Konyak
yeah.
community. So to all my beloved friends, family, sisters, brothers from Konyak, I want to give you a message that it's been so much like our people now. I guess we have a self-doubt sometimes. It's because we doubt ourselves, that's why we are unable to come out. I would say we people we are very talented in terms of like many things, no? Every tribe knows that, okay, that Konyaks are like very talented. So I just want to let you guys know that you are very talented. So let us all Konyaks are like very talented. Let us all try to bring a good name to our community by using our talent. And then please don't be so insecure, no? Don't be insecure. Even if you have a doubt, please believe in yourself, come out of your comfort zone, and then we people are really amazing. So we are a lovable person. We are very Konyak in general. We are such an open-minded person. We are so friendly with others. That's the feedback I always get from those other tribe. My friends, they always mention how Konyaks are like so friendly, how they're being so humble. True. So I just want to let you guys know that we are appreciated by many and that we still have a long way to go. It's just that we are not coming out, no? We are not coming out, we are not so much like our parents would say. I would say that our parents are like studies always not so much into like academic field. But let's try to convince our parents, if you're interested in a particular thing, if you have a talent, try to pursue the talent or nature they keep to recognize Korea, give up na kurvi. It's not only about studying, it's not only about cracking an MBAC, or it's not only about nature government job pala, but it's all about nature la talent de kina use kurese, nature kina luina jaise. So we are such a talented people, so make use of your talent, and thank you so much for always supporting me. Love you all.
Okay, next question na. I heard that Amila birthday to like 19 December day as na.
Yeah.
When no?
Yeah.
Yeah, so kina plan ko as. Are you going to like akide college na grand dinner na celebrate na how you're planning to celebrate your birthday?
For my birthday,
Yeah.
every year now since I was little, I used to celebrate every year. And then my mom is after I used to tell to my mom na, actually this year the last birthday celebrate grandly na. So I say, but I don't know, but this time my plan is like I just want to celebrate it since it will be after all it's my birthday. But on 19 I'm a little busy. Even last year I have to postpone my birthday because I was busy that day. So this year we 19 days, but I have a program. I am invited, so I don't think I have to make a birthday plan. But any time manage ko paro. But often my birthday is the time she lose now. So 19 December to last year we church la company party na shit organization or there. Tumala birthday lo alag din day celebrate shit. So this year also it will be on 19, and then 19 I'm invited in one of the program. This is one of the first Filmfare Award in Maglen. I mean in Mon District. One of the first Filmfare Award in Mon District. So I'm invited there to give this award ceremony. For the award ceremony, so I don't think so I'm going to celebrate my birthday on that particular day. But if time managed properly, I would do that. So the birthday will be like not very grand, not very small also. All my friends are like, they are calling me in advance that you have to invite me on your birthday, something like that. For my birthday, I'm very excited. So it will be kind of like small gathering between like my friends, and then we'll celebrate it that way.
So, we invite girl.
I'm mostly invited. You're mostly welcome.
Now we don't find it. That particular celebrity girl jaw lagyo na. So anyway, my last question: why girl always prefer for loyal men?
Girls.
Yeah.
I guess girls prefer for loyal boys because like in most cases, yeah, my can cheat no girl no but it's a universal fact that motani bishe cheat karna. So to karni any boys and girls they prefer loyal because in any married now I'll just say this, okay, I'll just mention this. My kendo like often after shadi kora there, my kendo they are more into family or bachan this all karni. To matando na that time they somehow they have a time to keep their eyes on like other sides kanda. So it's just that my kendo they want someone who stays with them.
Getting married.
Me. Actually, there was a time when I was like so much into young mommy era. The Instagram the trending guys na the young mommy era where our age girls na teenagers they're getting married, they're having babies. Pageantry dito na dado jaishe I have to complete it.
Like that question with the one na. So like machine channel one with you. So like are you single or taken?
Okay, so first of all, before saying that, I want to let everyone know that after 1 month or after 1 year, if I start dating, don't come up to me saying like YouTube did I single go shit or that. But currently I am single.
Channel kulina susuna. So koi manu shi pa majane da yo bare Insta di active was ni na.
So me YouTube kulina se or mula YouTube la channel la namdo. It's IUW Konyak. So if you want to, please subscribe. Or I'm also using Instagram. It's Ayu Wangsa. Or Facebook, I say it's Ayu Wangsa. But in social media, like what Facebook or Instagram, it's Ayu Wangsa. So and then please support our brother through social media. This is one of a platform where we can encourage one another, where we can stand for one another. So our brother. He's also very new to social media, right? Not social media, but he's very new to YouTube. Yeah. And then he wants to be a YouTuber, right?
Yes.
So please do support him. Let's support one another. I truly believe that if we support one another, we can make a great change and we can make a great impact in our society. So please support our brother Langzai Naga.
Yeah.
He is in YouTube and it's Langzai Naga. So please do follow him and please subscribe. He's also in social media. He's also in Instagram and his name is very unique. It's Sunshine.
Not January Sunrise.
It's January Sunrise. So please follow him in Instagram and keep supporting him. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And if you guys have been watching this till the end, thank you so much for watching and then love you all.
Thank you. Once thank you so much for coming. I'm the anime music like first the question is nana one music ruki daga na one dim amni kita lok ronda amni ruki daga is na achi amni ba time jani. Thank you. And I wish you all the best for father amni step lui jarande. And then even in near future mata like yes even social media la platform de na man ekta like mata proper bole na so man financially tiana bari living na. At least one the platform like the media platform use na what a portray na. So that one is na. Thank you so much. Or I will let you name it person na.
Thank you so much.
So the end go. So guys on the end go ase. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Guys condition man miss ayolo de lo finally. So man mujung conversation short you. So kiman first last tak sa ase. God bless you. On pageant kandina man ida akida condition negative thought especially our society na. So negative impact na rakina thought na rakina na positively lekina man nichola thought de even kiwa ala activities de na man even tracing the future such kuri na. So let's go na. So man bishi manu na fast jodi judge kuri de So inabi no ikinana kila step lo ase thakawale try lecture manukta ase so man partak mala moral support kona live up try grows and then the last mala society ekta na ase ina bushuna the personal jabi labi no ide live like ki feel of mohan ekta mala society se si bole to like the halfway ro khai di na man full support no di eda थाकाय से मन खुशी पाइदे थाका से ना पुश खुशी पा माचोडे राखी दे hanging ना आकी जाबी ना पारे पीछे खड़ा होगली ना पारे माना so let's not do that ना मन एक बार पुश अप खुशी तो ending न होता ना तो दे मन पुंजोले ट्राई करना तो मन इधर कौन सा माला society ला एकता नी की चीज दे होगी ना नेक्टा से तो निमिदी कोला से so anyway thank you so much for watching till the end and next video de main log pawo. So would you like to say anything else?
First of all, thank you so much to the Lanze Konyak and his team for having me. It was
Most
great
welcome.
experience, you know, having a conversation with you. I really enjoyed every of our conversation. We were more like a friend sharing everything. So it was fun. To be honest, it was fun and it was very interesting. So to all those people, to all those supporters na kiman jud ma request ko na mo ni mati bina kuidai she iduhan days of thank you for say may God continue to bless you all na. Thank you so much for requesting him like mention wala na mention ni Parganina. I really, you know, with YouTube man, I was not watching to YouTube, but since my followers, friends now, the support Grahan, they want me to come and have a conversation with you, and then if that's something I could give back to the community, if that's something which I can do for my people now, I'm always ready. That's the reason I came up here, and then thank you so much for having me.
Most welcome.
May God continue to bless each and every one of us. Love you all.
Okay, bye.